Hi. I am JORC. I am here to tell you how to service your NUFORS-CR. First, you isolate the drain from the pressurized air system. Press and hold the test to completely empty the drain's reservoir, making sure the drain is safe and depressurized. Use the 6 mm Allen key to unscrew the bolts. The drain can now be opened to be serviced. Unscrew the valve top nut. Remove the O-ring in the operator assembly. Remove the housing gasket. Use a 13 mm wrench to unscrew the valve shaft and take out the valve plunger. Unscrew the valve plug using a 10 mm Allen key and remove the plunger and spring. Unscrew the strainer plug using a 10 mm Allen key and remove the strainer. Unscrew the test button using a 14 mm wrench. Clean the housing, operator assembly, test button and all valve parts thoroughly. Make sure no debris is left. Place the test button using a 14 mm wrench. Place the strainer. Screw in the strainer plug using a 10 mm Allen key. Lubricate the plunger. Place the plunger and the spring. Screw in the valve plug using a 10 mm Allen key. Place the valve plunger. Use a 13 mm wrench to tighten the valve shaft. Place the operator assembly. Make sure to push it all the way down. Place the O-ring and screw on the top nut. Lubricate, and place the housing gasket. Place the top part. Make sure the housing gasket is in place. Tighten the bolts using a 6 mm Allen key. Slowly pressurize the system by opening the ball valve. The NUFORS-CR is now ready to perform again.